My name is Stephanie, and this is my story of hope. So, when thinking about hope, when I think about hope, the worldly definition of hope is the expectation that something good is going to happen. But when you have God and you have faith in God, it's not the expectation that something good is going to happen. It's more so that something is going to happen as long as you believe and trust and have faith in God. Putting your trust in Him provides faith, and faith guarantees the gift of hope. And my experience with hope has been a lot. So hope to me is when you have a baby that you birthed, a newborn baby who spends 30 plus days in the NICU with complications, failure to breathe on his own, hooked up to every machine that you could think of, from your nose tubes to even a ventilator twice, to the extent that the care team actually stated that there was nothing left that they could do, and it was up to his little body to fight. But it wasn't him fighting, it was God fighting. It was God providing. It was me remaining faithful through the countless trips to the hospital, carrying breast milk so they could give it to him through his feeding tube. It was all a part of his plan, I believe, and it's not for me to question. Hope is when watching your 11-month-old daughter go into a full body seizure and lose oxygen for up to 2 minutes with no after effects and no side effects and no long-term effects, because God has her. Hope is being $900+ short of tuition for college and not knowing where you're going to get it from because you're not eligible for any more financial aid, and you lost your scholarship, and you don't know what's coming or how it's coming or what's next. Hope is still showing up. Hope is still being active and believing and trusting that God is going to do something. We don't always know what that's going to be, but it's all about having faith in that, and understanding that. So showing up to class every single day, even though you know that you have a negative balance, even though you know there's a possibility that those classes may drop because you have not paid, but you still stay forward, and understanding that sometimes when it comes to faith, you have to also work at it. And so that's really hope to me, is when you realize that your tuition ends up paid in full with no paper trail of where it came from, really. And that's just believing and understanding and knowing that God's going to work it out. So I want to say that no matter what you're going through, no matter how hard life is right now, no matter how many rocks, how many stones are thrown at you, just remember that no matter how hard it hurts, no matter how much it hurts, and no matter how hard life is right now, that it's only temporary. God will never turn his back on us. And it's very important to never turn our back on him. We have to believe that everything is a part of his plan. The good, the bad, the beautiful, the ugly. It's all a part of his plan. It's not up to us to understand it. It's not up to us to question it. It's up to us to remain faithful and believe and trust the process. Because just remember, after every storm there's a rainbow, and after every rain there's sun. There's always sun after the rain. There's always rainbow after the storm. And always remember that faith is necessary, it's essential. And without faith, hope is just a wish.